हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे डी नेट। डी नेट क्या है? डेस्टिनेशन एड्रेस ट्रांसलेशन। इसमें क्या होता है कि कोई भी यूज़र वो इंटरनेट पे होता है और वो जब अपने कंपनी या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का वेब सर्वर या एनी एप्लीकेशन को एक्सेस करना चाहता है तो वहाँ पे हम डी नेट का यूज़ करते हैं। प्राइवेट आईपी को हमेशा हम पब्लिक आईपी से मैप करते हैं और हम हिट करते हैं पब्लिक आईपी को। अब वो ट्रांसलेट करती है एक प्राइवेट आईपी पे एंड देन एक्सेस द सर्वर। ओके, और हम ये प्रैक्टिकली लैब ऑन पोलो अल्टो फॉर पोलो अल्टो के लिए हम करेंगे आज। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई शो यू व्हाट इज द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। दिस इज माय सर्वर, दिस इज अ डीएम सर्वर, डीएमजी सर्वर। सर्वर इसकी आईपी है 20.1.0/24. This subnet we are using here. This is outside user. This is a ISP. ISP router is the ISP router. Okay, this is the firewall. I'll show you configuration first of all and the server end. Show IP int brief. 20.1.1.1 is a server IP. Okay, and IP default IP route. No IP routing. IP default gateway 20.1.1.10 is a gateway. Okay, username user is this, privilege 15, password 123, and line VTY04, transfer input all, login local, IP HTTP server, IP HTTPS authentication local. Okay, now it's become a server. And ISP level, to show IP int brief. There are two loopback 1.1.1, 2.2.2 dot, Ethernet 0/0 200.1.1.1, and the user is connected to the ISP server, ISP router 100.1.1.10. Okay, and also show you IP of a user 100.1.1.1, 100.1.1.10. Okay, let's go to the firewall. Let me check. It is a IP. IP is a Ethernet 1/3. The IP is 20.1.1.10. Now create a policy for outside. Okay, outside to inside. Source is a source zone. Untrust and user any destination not a trust, DMG. Okay, application, any service, any action, allow start logs. Okay, now it's created. Now created D-NAT. Okay, and original packet from outside, that means untrusted. Destination is DMG, and any interface, source any, destination any, translate. 20.1.1.1. Okay, now commit. Let me check. CMD ping 20.1.1.10. Destination unreachable. I think it's committed. Okay. Now first of all, check ping 100.1.1.10 is pingable. Okay. 201.1.1 is pingable. 10 is pingable. Okay. So we are not able to ping this IP. Okay, just translating. So now check, because I'll show you why. In the Palo Alto, when the traffic is coming from is untrust, outside is untrust, trust, untrust is an untrust zone, uh, untrust zone. Okay, is an untrust zone. When the user hit a untrust zone, source coming from the untrust and destination also is untrust. Is the in the Palo Alto, when the source also untrust and destination also unstressed. Okay, and destination address is a public address. Okay, that belong to interface IP. I'll show you. Okay, moment. Interface IP is 200.0.1.10, the subnet. So I have to use, I can use this subnet as well as different subnet. Okay, let first off select as untrust, and I'll use 201.1.50. Okay, 1.50, this IP is used. Okay, and the source from the untrust, destination also untrust, hit the untrust interface, and the real IP, that is here we are using the real IP, here we are using the mapping IP. Okay, the mapping IP, the public interface IP related to, and 10.1 20.1.1 is the server IP. Okay, I'll show you. This is server IP, is a real IP. And okay, now commit. I'm using 50.150. Now it is committed, completely committed. Yeah, now it's picking start. So I'll check you. how is pinging start? Okay, I see. Okay, and now start pinging. Who is replying? As I see, as a replying is the 20.1.1 to 100.1.1. That means when the map IP, I'll show you map IP. Map IP is 201.1.150. This is a map IP. When the user hit, when the user 100.1.1.1 is hit the 201.1.50, that is translate to 20.1.11. When the 20.1.1 dot is reply back to the 100.1.1. Okay, now let's check telnet 20.1.1.50. Okay, and is using a telnet because we are not enabling the SSH. Username 123, password 123. Now is able to access. Okay, now we are using a web browser, through a web browser. HTTP 201.1.1 50. Yeah, we got to authenticate. Now able to access the server. Okay, it's fine. And now let's go to access to 192.168.1.130. Now login is through a CLI. I'll show you something. Session all. Okay, we are getting a session. There are two sessions. I'll show you something. Okay, one session. Give me a moment. Yeah, so I'll show you one session for 80 there. 100.1.1 is translate this for using port 250.80. Okay, that is reply. And one session is for 23 telnet. Let's this one. Yeah, there is a session. There is two session, and also we have to get a ping. Let me, his ping is enabled. Yeah, right. Definitely we will get a ping session also. Okay, moment. Yeah, ping session telnet. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Continuously ping. I got all session. Yeah, ping session and browsing session, telnet, browsing, ping. The all the session we are getting. So all three sessions are getting for the D-NAT. And so now happening the D-NAT through this the process. The main important thing is whenever we are doing in the D-NAT in the Palo Alto, that source zone is untrust and destination zone also untrust, and the map IP when I can change the IP the different from 172.16.20.10. Okay, let's check and commit. Okay, is broken, also broken. 172 172.16.20.10. Okay, this is IP. Definitely will got, yeah, 170.16.20.10 destination unreachable. 16.10. Give a moment. Is not. Let me give moment. I think there is no route for this one. IP routing, IP routing, IP route array 0.0 200.1.1.10. This is routing, default routing. Okay, now check. Yeah, now able to ping, and let's check who is replying. 20.1.1 is replying the 100.1.1. Okay, that means whenever I am trying to ping 170.16, not replying. Okay, start, it's replying. Okay, now create a session. Give me a moment. Okay, now create a two session. First session is a 1 2 3. Right, got the session telnet 172.16.20.10. Now let's create a session. Now check session table, ping telnet, ping or telnet. I got all the session. 100.1.1, 170.16.10 is converted to this one, and is a browsing, the browsing, ping, and telnet. We got all the session. So now we can be use any IP, here in the mapping IP here. Okay, and we translate in the real IP which are defined here. I hope you got understand how to D-NATing on the Palo Alto, how to configuration and troubleshooting all these things, and session also we can check by the command. So session all. thank you for watching, and please comment, like and subscribe the channel for the new video. And you can comment any query, any question. Definitely will solve your question, your query. Thank you for watching this video.